Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Warborne above access game crashing at a startup, crashing to desktop, not launching or won't launch, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PC. So without wasting any time, let's follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart your PC. So just restart your PC, and once your device restart, then launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to delete Warborne above access saved game folder. But please take a note, you will lose all the saved game progress. So keep backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to do it. Open File Explorer, go to C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data, then click on this view, so, and check mark hidden items. Then open app data folder, then open local low folder, then open QLAN folder. Now right click this Warborne folder and first copy it and then paste it to desktop to keep the backup. Then right click on it and select delete to delete the Warborne folder. Now relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to modify the game launch options. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Warborne above access game, select properties. In the launch options type -DX11, close the tab, then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties, this time type -DX12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to properties, remove this command and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4 is to run the game as an administrator. So open Steam, right click on Warborne above access game, select manage, browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now double click this Warborne exe file and see if that works or not. If not, then right click on it, go to properties, then go to compatibility tab and then check mark run this program as an administrator, then hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check. If that doesn't work, then this time select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, from drop down select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then tick mark disable full screen optimization as well, then hit apply, OK, and then launch the game. Now if still your problem is not solved, then untick all these boxes from here, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. Open Warborne folder. Now select Warborne exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back. Click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. Click on allow another app. Click on browse. Now go to the game installation folder. Open Warborne folder. Select Warborne exe file and then click on open and then click on add. It is already added in my case. Now look for Warborne and make sure both private and public is ticked mark, then click OK to save changes. Now you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program for a while, launch the game, and later you can turn on your antivirus program. Fix 6 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphics settings, open it, click on add desktop app, open Warborne folder, select Warborne exe file and then click on add. Now look for it, expand it, and next to GPU preference select high performance. Now launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to update your graphic card driver. So simply update your graphic card driver to the latest version and then launch the game and check. Fix it is to verify the game files. Open Steam, go to library, right click on Warborne above assets, select properties, go to install files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now installation is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft official website, link is given in the description, and once you are on the website, download both x86 and x64 version. Now you have to install x64 and x86 version on your PC. So first install x64 version, so click on it. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair. If you see install option, then click on install and install it on your PC. Then click on x86 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair. If you see install option, then click on install and install it on your PC. And after installing both x64 version and x86 version, you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 10 is to disable overlay. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Warborne above assets, select properties and toggle off this enable the Steam overlay while in game. Disable Discord overlay. If you have installed Discord on your PC, then launch Discord. Then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner, click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay option. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitor connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of the tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game. Fix 12 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left click on Windows Update. Then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install it. And then restart your PC once, and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall the game from your PC and then restart your PC and then reinstall the Warborne above assets game to the C drive, SSD drive. If you have already installed in C drive, then try installing it to external SSD drive and then you can launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you were able to fix Warborne above assets, not launching, won't launch, crashing, crashes to desktop, crashing at a startup, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.